Hello, today I will tell you what Python is. Python was created by Guido van Rossum and you can make games with Python thanks to Pygame. Python was shared in 1991 and became popular in the 2000s, and this coding language is the easiest language and easy to learn. This language has courses. It is the language used in the world and the founder worked in companies like Microsoft, Google, and thanks to the Python language, YouTube, Reddit was created. Which companies use Python? Google, Netflix uses Meta. Python also has a library and you can do games, AI and many other things. We write code thanks to the words Python and you can download Python and write this. Write print hello and that's it. What language should I say in the video? C++, C#, Go, Ruby, Java. Which one should I say? Write in the comments and thank you.